I am very happy to welcome you to the 2014 Medidata European Symposium.
Everybody in the room is contributing to and part of this momentum that we have.
As a small biotech, to find funds, you need to be a leader, maybe in a very small area, but you need to do something better than anybody else.
We're getting to a time in history where instead of looking to other people or to technologies to replace our broken body parts, we look to the quintessential unit of life, the cell. This is the advent of tissue engineering and regenerative medicine.
Why do you come to Medidata Symposium?
I think Medidata is at a position where it is really defining the course for the industry.
It's one of the greatest events of the year for those people who use Medidata as their platform.
This is our first time because we came because we've joined as a CRO partner.
Of the top 10 grossing drugs in 2013 in the world, 7 were developed on the Medidata platform. This is not just happening at Medidata in other parts of the world. A lot of this is happening in Europe.
I came to the Medidata Symposium to learn about what's going on, what's new.
I think it's very good contact with the Medidata guys and with other colleagues from the different companies.
Keeping in mind that we're all different organizations, but we can still learn from each other.
Just generating more data doesn't necessarily mean getting better answers. We need data to be high quality data.
That is my 150 sample a second ECG and forwarding it into the Medidata cloud directly.
We believe that this kind of direct instrumentation of patients can really not only help the clinical trial process, bring in real-world evidence in much earlier, but actually make it a more engaging, practical experience for the patient.
So Medidata, yes, is a technology vendor, but if you go to clinicaltrials.gov, you will find us in the same category as all of you who are our clients.
And so you can imagine going forward, before we test drugs in 100 people, that we can test drugs on 100 little engineered hearts. So imagining what we call like clinical trials on a chip.
How we plan the future of these clinical trials is really to think differently, to do these clinical trials more successful and potentially cheaper.
We can't just expose people willy-nilly to drugs. We have to make sure that we're doing everything responsibly.
Our mission is exactly the same as the mission of every life sciences company and medical device company and consumer products company that is represented in the room.